Burgundy, refine, renew, restore. Did you know your car seats carry more dust, sweat, and bacteria than you think? Keep them spotless, hygienic, and fresh by using upholstery cleaner regularly. Burgundy Upholstery Cleaner has powerful foam, which instantly loosens and lifts impurities and dirt from the upholstery surface. Burgundy Upholstery Cleaner is suitable for use on fabric, leather, vinyl upholstery, carpets, door panels. Shake the can well before use. Spray the foam generously on the dirty and stained surface. Use a soft brush/sponge to loosen the dirt if required. Wipe off the surface with a clean Burgundy microfiber cloth. For stubborn stains, repeat the process. Keep the vehicle window open while the surface dries. Allow the treated surface to dry completely. For best result, vacuum the seats before application.